करीब 1 लाख से भी लोग छोटे और लघु उद्योग के क्लस्टर हैं, वो बेरोजगार हुए हैं। अनुमान लगाया गया है कि सारे देश में अगर आप देखें, the estimate all over the country is, and this is an estimate not of any political party, it is an estimate made by an independent economic research organization, CMIE, Center for Monitoring Indian Economy in Bombay, which has estimated that the total number of people who may have become unemployed following who've lost their jobs following demonetization exceeds 1 million. So there is no doubt that पिछले 5 सालों में पहली बार रोजगार, हम बार बार ये कहते हैं कि रोजगार बढ़ना चाहिए और रोजगार बढ़ने की गति को हमें और बढ़ाना चाहिए, पर पहली बार हमारे देश में रोजगार की गति में कमी नहीं आई है, वो भी हुआ है, पर उसके साथ साथ जो मौजूदा रोजगार हैं वो बंद हुए हैं, वो समाप्त हुए हैं। इट इज नॉट जस्ट rate of job creation that has come down, but for the first time in India we have seen job destruction. Normally we argue about the rate of job creation, but Mr. Modi's great contribution to Indian economics is that we now have to look at not only the rate of job creation but also job destruction. Of course it is. I mean, of course it is. It is one of the issues. It's one of the very important issues. Tomorrow you're going to have a Congress Working Committee meeting in Ahmedabad. I'm sure there will be discussion on these. There are issues. There are serious livelihood issues. There is the issue of farm distress. There is the issue of demonetization. There is the issue of how badly GST has been implemented in order to destroy the small and medium enterprises. There are issues. There are very basic fundamental livelihood issues. How Narega programs like Mahatma Gandhi Narega have been completely subverted. So there are issues. These are the real issues in the elections.
BJP is comparing prime ministers with the launch which the prime minister has done, 157 projects in 1 month, comparing that of the same in one. But it's come to light also that most of these are municipality level projects also. So how do you see this?
What has it got to do with Notebandi? We'll discuss later.
You want to ask Himanshu?
हाँ हिमांशु, नोटबंदी पर
Demonetization.
हाँ, डिमोनेटाइजेशन, हाँ